Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to have a quick look at opening XLS files, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll go back into the program here. Now, we've already looked at the first three file formats. Now, the last one is, like I mentioned, the XLS file. And on creating these actual files, I unfortunately don't have any info yet. But this is obviously like an Excel-based file format. So it's going to be done with a lot of code and so forth. So the code will tell you, okay, cool, create this, cut this from there to there, and so forth. So the process is pretty simple, so there should be a little short video. I'm not going to have you guys an example like we did in the previous videos, just because, like I mentioned, this is a bit more of a complex file format, so we might cover it in a future video. But otherwise, what you want to do is go to open file from either the main menu on top here or just this big icon on your primary toolbar. Click open file, and then just make sure from your drop down menu the files of type, like I mentioned before, we want to select the right format. So files of type, we're going to click cat, we go bottom to XL file, XLS, and click that, we'll get a file, select it, open it. I just have a dummy one here, so my program will hang if I open this one at the moment, but like I said, in the future we'll look into doing a proper video on how to actually go about this. But otherwise, that is it on opening XLS files, and pretty much wraps up our little series on opening files. So just to recap, we have the four main files we can open. So we have the CAD files, DXF. So this is nice if you're creating your files in a CAD program of your choosing. Let's say you're using a different one. We've got PDF files. Like I said, it's quite universal file format this, so finding it will be rather easy. We've got nesting files, which is a native file format for the program at the moment, and then we've got Excel files. But yeah, so that wraps up our little series. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right if you do not find the training videos you're looking for. And also you can request a training video if there's something specific you want, and then fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.